Abula's Golden Milanesa de Res. A delicious Mexican main course recipe. This recipe serves 4 servings. Preparation takes about 25 minutes. And cooking takes around 20 minutes. Here is what you'll need. 1.5 pounds beef top round or sirloin tip, 1 teaspoon kosher salt, a half teaspoon black pepper, a half teaspoon garlic powder, a half cup all-purpose flour, 2 pieces large eggs, 2 tablespoons whole milk, a half teaspoon Mexican oregano, 1.5 cups plain breadcrumbs, a quarter teaspoon ground cumin. Step 1. Place the beef cutlets between 2 sheets of plastic wrap or wax paper. Using a meat mallet, gently pound them until they are an even 1/8 inch thickness. This ensures tenderness and rapid, even cooking. Step 2. Season both sides of the pounded steaks generously with salt, black pepper, and garlic powder. Let them rest for 5 minutes to allow the seasoning to penetrate. Step 3. Set up your dredging station with 3 shallow bowls. In the first bowl, place the flour. In the second, whisk together the eggs, milk, and Mexican oregano. In the third, mix the breadcrumbs with the ground cumin. Step 4. Dredge a seasoned steak in the flour, shaking off any excess. It should have a very light, even coating. Step 5. Dip the floured steak into the egg mixture, ensuring every inch is moistened. Let the excess drip off. Step 6. Place the steak into the breadcrumbs. Press down firmly with your palms to ensure the crumbs adhere well to the meat. Flip and repeat, pressing again to create a solid crust. Step 7. Place the breaded steaks on a wire rack or a clean plate and let them sit for 10 minutes. This setting time helps the breading stay attached during frying. Step 8. In a large heavy-bottomed skillet, heat about a half inch of vegetable oil over medium-high heat until it reaches 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. You can test the heat by dropping a breadcrumb in. If it sizzles immediately, it's ready. Step 9. Carefully lay 1 or 2 steaks in the hot oil. Do not overcrowd the pan. Fry for about 2 to 3 minutes per side until the crust is a deep golden brown and crispy. Step 10. Remove the milanesas and place them on a plate lined with paper towels to drain any excess oil. Immediately sprinkle with a tiny pinch of salt while still hot. Step 11. Repeat the process with the remaining steaks, adding more oil if necessary and waiting for it to come back up to temperature. Step 12. Serve immediately while hot and crispy, garnished with fresh cilantro and plenty of lime wedges. And that's it. For the full recipe with exact measurements, visit dishwiz.info.